This segment is on cylinder head tech. We're going to go through some of the basic checks that we'll do when we first take the cylinder head off the engine. The only cylinder head that's allowed is the RT1 with no alterations, no buffing, grinding, deburring, sanding, any of it. Stock, out of the box, as is. The first piece that we're going to look at will be the head gasket. This is going to be inspected in 4 places for thickness. Right at the ring, adjacent to the bolt holes. Minimum of 49 thousandths. We're going to check the combustion chamber width, 2-inch 640 with this tool, and it cannot touch the deck of the head. It has to remain suspended. The ports and the entire head need to remain as cast. It's very important that they do so, that there is a sharp edge on both the intake and the exhaust port where they transition from the bowl to the port, and that those areas are unaltered. The next check that we're going to make, and this may require carbon removal, that is allowed. Personally, I prefer a soft tool, but you may have to scrape the carbon off to get to the parent material to get the correct measurements. We'll be measuring the combustion chamber depth, which is a minimum of 330, and also the shallow areas, which have a minimum number of 30 thousandths. And we'll do a quick check on the intake and the exhaust port. No go. And the exhaust port is a 980, no go.